This is how to factory reset the Xbox Series X, and the same procedure should work for the Xbox Series S. So power on your Xbox Series X or your Xbox Series S. Go to the home screen. From the home screen, go to that gear icon. It's called Settings. So select Settings. Once you're in Settings, go down to System. Once you're in System, go to Console Info. Once you're in Console Info, then go to Reset Console. And you got a couple options here. You can do Reset and remove everything. That's what you'd want to do if you're selling your Xbox or giving it away to someone. And then you've got an option of Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. So that's completely up to you, but that is how to reset the Xbox Series X and how to reset the Xbox Series S. Hope this video helped. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out all my other videos too. Y'all have a good day.